Hi, so if you're watching this video, the chances are you are interested in online drumming lessons. The purpose of this video is just to go over some of the details of how it works and the sort of things that you're going to need at your end to make it effective. I'm offering a free 30-minute taster online drum lesson to all new online students. And the purpose of that is really just to take care of some of these issues I'm going to be talking about in this video, i.e. to do with setup and sound, etc. So feel free to get in touch to take advantage of that. So the first thing to consider is that I use the Zoom app. Now the chances are that you're very familiar with it already, but if you're not, then again, just get in touch and I'll help you with the whole sort of downloading and setting up of that app. The other thing to consider is that because we're dealing with a lot of visual and also audio elements, it's really good to have a strong broadband connection. So I use an Ethernet cable, which is considered to be one of the strongest connections. So you can be guaranteed that you're going to get a good connection from my end. But at your end, if you do have an Ethernet connection, then great, we're good to go. Alternatively, a good strong Wi-Fi connection will suffice, and most people have that these days anyway. If you have a weaker Wi-Fi signal, then we can see if it's going to be effective in the taster session, and the chances are it probably will be anyway. Okay, and then equipment. So ideally at your end, you're going to need either an electronic drum kit or you're going to need an acoustic drum kit. Either will do. They both work just as well as each other. I have a slight preference maybe towards an electronic drum kit just because the sound is a little bit more controllable, but that's more my issue than it is yours. So either way, whatever setup you have will suffice for what we need. I've just made a little note here to mention sound. Again, the sound setup and stuff which we're going to do in Zoom. Again, we're going to take care of that in the initial free taster session, but that is something that's important that we will need to deal with. And again, the Zoom application will take care of all of that for us. The last thing to deal with, or the last thing to mention, is position. So position of your camera. So as you can see, the way I've got it set up is my camera is positioned at this point in time so that I can communicate effectively, just like you would if you're having a social meeting or a conference work meeting or something. But the other element of what I've got set up here is the kit. So at your end, when you have your camera set up, ideally you want it to be set up kind of a bit similar to this. So you can see that so you're able to see all of the drums, and this is ideally what I want to be seeing as well. Okay, I want to be able to see your face, I want to be able to see your hands in terms of what they're hitting, and I want to be able to see whether your leg is moving as well. Okay, so I don't necessarily have to see your foot, but if I can see your leg move, then that will suffice. Just as a note, the kit that I've got here that I've modified deliberately for online lessons is made up of mesh heads and low volume cymbals. And the idea of that is that it's really, really effective for online lessons because the sound is of low volume and controllable, and you can hear everything really, really clearly. So I'll probably just give you an example of that. So So hopefully picks up well on the recording. So hopefully that takes care of everything. If you have any questions, just give me a shout, drop me an email, give me a call. And yeah, and don't forget there's the free 30-minute taster session to all new online students. So please take advantage of it. I'm looking forward to meeting you, and I'm looking forward to hopefully giving you some drum lessons. So yeah, please get in touch.